reach us on our mobile
phone.
T-Mobile on our office number. Hello guys and happy new year. Now it was a pleasure serving you in 2021 and we're looking forward to much of that this year. Remember, for broadcast solutions, gaming solutions, corporate solutions, live streaming solutions, sports solutions, we are your plug. Kindly visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke or reach us through our office number 0796 262028. My name is Mary and with me is
Yasin, and Happy New Year to you all. This year will be much exciting compared to last year because we'll be showing the simple hacks for live streaming and any type of production. So stay tuned.
Now on our today's how-to video, we are going to take you guys through a simple setup, live streaming setup or recording setup. Now in front of us we have some products. I have an Atem Mini Pro right here. We have 2 cables and we have a studio Blackmagic 4K camera and we have a laptop right here. Now Yasin is going to take us through the setup.
Our setup for today, we're going to show basically a simple live, if you want to do a live stream or a recording setup.
Yeah.
Let's say you have one camera and you want to do something with it. So here we have a switcher.
Yeah.
This switcher carries up to 4 cameras, and yeah, it carries up to 4 cameras. It has 2 jacks for your microphones. We have an HDMI cable which will connect from the camera to the switcher, so that you can get the feed. We have a USB Type-C, which will connect the switcher to our laptop. Then you have a live streaming or recording software, which is here. I hope the camera can pick it. Yeah, so we're going to do the connection first before we light up everything.
Yeah.
So let's start with the HDMI from the camera output. Here it is. Here to the switcher input. You can use any camera, not necessarily you have to have this big camera. Then the USB Type-C, its port is just right here to the laptop.
Yeah.
Then I'll just turn on the switcher. So the switcher here acts as our capture card. That's the benefit of this Blackmagic switcher. So you can have up to 4 cameras, let's say position different angles. So you can do your production by yourself at home using this small switcher. That's the benefit of it. And it's portable. You can just carry it. You don't necessarily have to have a big suitcase carrying everything.
Yeah.
Now let me turn on the camera.
It's on.
Okay, the camera is on. As you can see here, it indicates, the light indicates that this camera is on program. So here on my software, okay, I'll just come to our software. I just downloaded it. It's a free software. So I'll just come to the source here, source bin, and then add. So I'm adding a new device, which is the video capture device here. As you can see on our screen right now, we have the camera feed. I can just move the camera, and you can see the feed. So you can set your streaming keys. You can start recording it from here. You can start your stream. You just set the URLs and everything, depending on the software, because people use different softwares. Yeah. So that's it for your live streaming.
So that's it, guys. A simple, very simple setup for going live or maybe recording your stuff. Now, if you are, girls, ladies, you feel me? If you are a makeup artist and maybe you've been wanting to teach people how to do makeup and you're wondering, where should I start from? We got you. If you are a great chef and you've been also wanting to showcase your skills out there, but you don't know where to start from, we got you. Right, Yasin? Yeah. If you want to purchase any of this equipment, remember, visit our website at
www.highwaynv.co.ke or visit our offices at Trans Towers, South Bay, just behind Kenya Institute of Mass Communication.
Yeah, we've been your hosts. So until next time with another exciting video, bye bye.